She wants all the cat toys.
Well, when you want all the cat toys. Where you going, love bug? Hey, Ellie! Come here! Come here!
Bonk.
Come here! Put her down, let her crawl to me. It's just gonna make her madder, isn't it? Come to me, my minion.
No, I want to touch the speakers, Dad. I hate everything.
Hard to pick that big melon up, isn't it?
It is.
She'd get her a little
I'm
wheel.
exhausted just watching her.
She'd get her a little wheelbarrow to push her around in. Oh look! Look who stood it up!
You sit up on your own. And fall back.
And give up.
Wow.
If you can get it, I'll give it to you.
That's a lie.
That's a lie.